we are going to have the best hair, the best drinks, the most fun together. I cannot wait. Hi guys, so welcome to my channel. My name is Justine and this is Curls and Cocktails. I just wanted to give a little introduction on what this channel is going to be about. So as you can see by the name, it's going to be about curls, so hair care, curly hair routines, wash and goes, styling curly hair, all things fun with curly hair, and then cocktails, two of my favorite things, my curly hair and adult bevies. So just a little about me, like I said, my name is Justine. I've been natural for 6 years. I did a big chop back in 2014. August of 2014, I had no idea what I was doing then. I was one of the girls, as most curly girls started back then, using the Shea Moisture hibiscus line. And your hair would be so sticky because the gel of it is so sticky. So I've been in this process for 6 years. I've had a lot of trial and error, trying to see what worked for me, pulling out half my head in the shower every wash day. So it's been a long time coming. Spent a lot of time, a lot of money, a lot of energy getting here. So I'm glad to finally be here where I know my hair, I know what works with my hair is healthy, my hair listens to me on occasion when it wants to. I still err sometimes trying different products. I still spend an outrageous amount of money on different products, trying to see what works, trying to see if I like anything new. I do have staple products now, and things that I use more than others. Obviously, as everyone does, things that I gravitate to, things that my hair likes more than others. But it's a lot easier now than it was 6 years ago when I first started. So I just wanted to spread what I know and share what I know. So hopefully I can help other people on their curly hair journey, whether they just started, whether they're 10 years in and can't find something that works for them. I'm getting a call. We are going to have so much fun. By we, I mean me, and hopefully you watching, but I'm going to have so much fun. I wanted to start this because a lot of people have been like, Justine, love your hair, what do you do with your hair? You should study YouTube, blah, blah, this, blah, blah, that, and I don't know, I was always like, no. And then I started like doing little tutorials on Instagram and showing my product, and I wanted to mix it with something I enjoy doing as well, which is cocktails. So have a little sit down, I'll be making cocktails and doing curly hair cocktails, which is mixing different products together and putting them in your curly hair. Just wanted to do a little introduction to let you guys know what this channel is going to be all about. If you have any suggestions, please send them my way. Comment them down below. If you follow me on Instagram, send them to me. If you know me personally, send them to me. Let me know what you guys want to see. I'm so excited to finally be doing this. Yeah, if you guys want to see me talk a lot, do my curly hair, drink some cocktails, and have some fun, please continue watching. Say hi to YouTube.
YouTube, what's going on?